Okay, dude, I'm not going to play this game with you. Identify yourself. I'm going to put you in cuffs. I'm going to take you in fingerprinting and identify you.
So you're going to threaten to arrest me?
I'm not threatening to arrest you. I'm threatening to detain you to identify you. You're recording me right now. Do you have any, law degree or anything?
In this encounter, a police officer responds to a neighborhood complaint after witnesses claim a man kicked a government vehicle. The officer approaches the resident and demands identification. Under the Fourth Amendment, officers must have reasonable suspicion that a crime occurred before detaining someone or requiring ID. The resident questions that authority, turning the interaction into a confrontation over constitutional rights.
They were saying this, that, and the other, a whole bunch of stuff. So I asked them to leave, and they did. It's fine. They're out there. That's cool. No, they're just upset because I won't let them. I didn't want them originally talking to my kid, and so that's why they're mad.
Well, they're doing their job. They're part of the children's division.
Well,
they have to investigate just like we have to investigate stuff, so.
I know.
You have an ID with you?
Nope.
What's your name?
Oh, no, I don't get my ID unless I'm
not going to play this game with you. I've done it before a couple years ago. I'm not going to do it again.
Hold on.
I have a reason to identify you.
What for?
Property damage. When you kick a vehicle, it's considered property damage.
Okay, is there evidence of that?
I have 2 witnesses, so yes.
No, is there evidence? It's hearsay right now.
No, I have 2 witnesses.
We can both say that he kicked me, and I...
Okay, dude, I'm not going to play this game with you. Identify yourself. I'm going to put you in cuffs. I'm going to take you in fingerprinting and identify you.
So you're going to threaten to arrest me?
I'm not threatening to arrest you. I'm threatening to detain you to identify you. Yes.
That's all I need to know. Am I going to be arrested if I don't ID?
It's a strong possibility right now.
No, it's a possibility, but am I yes or no?
When you are being investigated for committing a crime, I have a reason to identify.
Oh, absolutely, absolutely.
It's refusal to identify.
Yeah, if you suspect me of a crime. So what's your reasonable, articulable suspicion of a crime?
I called Convenience, see if we can just look him up through his address, because we've been here before and did the same thing with him.
Well, I just want to know if I'm convicted of a crime. If you suspect me...
I can't convict you of a crime.
No, suspect me of committing a crime. It's really simple.
When you go and kick a government vehicle, yeah.
Yeah, if I had kicked it. If.
I'm not going to play the game with you.
No, I wouldn't either. I
just need your information, then I don't need to talk to you no more.
Okay. Well, if you guys already know who I am, that's cool.
I don't remember.
The discussion now shifts toward constitutional protections. The resident references the Fourth Amendment, which protects individuals from unreasonable searches and seizures unless the government can justify its actions with lawful authority.
That's why I'm asking.
That's okay. I've
been out here before and did the same crap with you.
You weren't here before?
Yes, I was.
With the skinny little guy? Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Well, yeah, because I like to honor the oath of the Constitution. I like my Fourth Amendment.
Okay.
I like it. Because when I go to jail or court, and they say, did you suspect him of a crime? And you say, he allegedly kicked a car.
That's me suspecting of a crime. Yep.
Yeah, but there's no proof of that or any evidence of that.
Do you have any, law degree or anything?
Do you? What school did you go to?
I study criminal justice. So.
Okay, same here. Yeah. Your body cam on?
We don't have body cam, sir. We're not required to.
Yeah. No accountability.
You're recording me right now?
Yeah, because I wouldn't be able to get any other way. You have a cell phone, why aren't you using it to record?
Because I'm not required to use my personal cell phone to record you.
Okay.
But body cams will be coming soon.
Good.
Beginning of the year.
Yeah, you guys got a lot of cool guys in the sheriff's department. I guess
Appreciate it. I just don't know why we have to be different when I'm just asking for you to identify yourself.
Man, I just don't know why you can't honor the oath that you took.
What oath am I not honoring?
Constitution. I have the right to be secure in my person, my papers, and my effects. Without a warrant, you can't do nothing. You have to have a warrant.
Identify you when I suspect you of committing a crime?
Yeah, that's my person, my papers, and my effects.
You might want to look at Missouri state law.
Well, state law doesn't trump the Constitution, so...
Well, you're in the state of Missouri, so...
I'm not in the state of Missouri.
You are in the state of Missouri.
Well, that's going to have to be proven in court, too. Good legal claim.
What's your address? 755 28 North 18, which is an address in Doniphan, Missouri, which means you are in the state of Missouri.
Oh.
That's real crazy, ain't it?
It is, because you just made a legal claim. That's even crazier that the sheriff's department makes legal claims while on duty. What's up, Beans?
Hi.
What'd they say?
Well, they just asked me random questions.
What'd they ask?
They asked about if somebody put hands on me. And then they asked about what's my favorite thing. They asked like so many random questions.
Give me one question about the hands thing. What's that about?
Like in private spots, like I did, like if somebody has tried.
And what'd you tell them?
I trust him. No.
Okay. I'm not surprised. Who's allowed to touch you? Who?
Mommy.
And that's it. And who else? The doctor?
Yes.
Mommy and the doctor. You're correct. Nobody else touches you, right?
Yeah.
Okay. That's being recorded too, in case you guys have some like thing you want to say.
You're borderline coercing right now too. So
No, it's not coercing. Asking my daughter a question is easy.
you're saying, isn't this correct? That's coercion.
I don't know. Without a warrant, he wants to do some stuff. And right now, since we didn't want him here, we didn't call him here, he's trespassing. And it doesn't matter if anybody else calls him. A call for service doesn't mean you get to come on somebody's property without being invited.
Yeah, for an emergency investigation, you're right.
It doesn't, if the kid's hurting, if somebody's in the home, you don't have to argue because you're wrong. It's fine. It's fine. It's okay to be wrong. It's not okay to stay there.
Encounters like this highlight the tension between police authority and constitutional protections. Under the Fourth Amendment, officers must clearly explain the specific facts that justify detaining someone and demanding identification. When that justification relies only on accusation without clear articulation, courts often examine whether the detention itself was lawful, showing why understanding constitutional rights during police encounters is so important.